So I was sent this big punch that looks kind of like a stamp from the brand. So let's take a look at it and see how well it punches out the paper. I love this kind of stuff. I'm a crafter by nature, but all right. So it's got this little lock here at the bottom. Open it up. Feels pretty solid. Okay. So I'm going to grab some scrapbook paper. I'm going to torch it down here. Okay. So we're just going to tear this off. Helps if I stick it in the right way here. Go like this. Push down. Ooh, that cut real nice. Let's see. It's a nice big square. Yeah, that punched really well. All right. Let's see if I don't have anything thicker, so let's do like maybe I'll fold this over and so do like maybe the equivalent of 2 sheets. Okay. Yep, that went through just fine. If you had cardstock, that was kind of what I was getting at. Like it would do both. It would be able to do the thickness of cardstock easily. That came out really good. Now, say you wanted to like kind of be able to line it up, you could unfold this. So if you wanted to stick it through, and you could see through the bottom here. You're like, oh, I want to line it up here and be able to cut like so. Now, something this would be really fun for is if you were doing like a journal with an image a day, you could cut, pieces out of like a candy wrapper or a ticket stub or something and just kind of have little snippets of memories. So this is a really neat gadget. I will be using this for sure in my junk journaling and just my regular memory keeping journals. If you're a scrapbooker, it'd be good for that too. Yeah, I am really excited to use this more. So say I wanted to, make sure I got a specific flamingo or something. So you can kind of be like, oh, I want that guy right there. And and there you go. And he is cut out and ready to be added to your journal or your scrapbook. For a piece of this, you got this and it was something to do with the memory and you wanted to kind of remember it. Yeah, there you go. It went through that cardboard and that is pretty thick. All right. But yeah, so you could just cut out pieces of the backing if you wanted to remember this and put this in your journal and be like, I got a new tool today. Okay, so if you're curious about the size of the squares, they're exactly 1.5 by 1.5. Try to line it up there for you so you can see. So yeah, this is a nice 1.5 by 1.5 inch square for your scrapbooking and crafting needs. So yeah, and then again, if you want to lock it and stick it into your craft bag, you are good to go. So I hope that this has helped and that if you're looking to get one of these, that this has helped you make your decision.